Alright, this is the motorcycle. 2004 Suzuki Volusia. It's an intruder. It's the limited edition. It's got brand new pipes on it, which made it really quiet. I got the old ones that are really loud. I don't know if you can see this or not, but I like that. I like the multi-cross turn signals. Those are real chrome. Saddle bags here. Buddy of mine hooked me up with those. There's a speedometer. I'm not going to spend too much time just going around the bike because I'm going to start it up. Okay. Let's see here. Let me start this baby up. Now it's cold. I haven't had it running all day, so usually when that happens you have to choke it pretty good. There's the choke. I'll pull it out. Sometimes if you pull the choke out too much, it won't start. Hold on, you gotta pull in on the clutch. First time, baby. First time. It's a little loud. I mean, the engine's revving a little loud. So I dropped the choke back in a little bit. That's the actual time. Let me see here. That's the mileage. It's actual mileage. It had a little more miles on it than I thought it did. I had 3,600 on it when I got it. I repolished the lens. The lens was pretty scratched up when I got it. I repolished it and it looks pretty good now. I don't have a key for the gas cap due to the bike having been stolen at one point in time. Cat's eye mirrors. Got grips on it. Now you can see right here where I broke the ball off the end of the clutch thing. I'm gonna replace that. That's no big deal. I think I've replaced that thing twice now. I don't remember what the first time was for. It's right here. My wife broke this thinking she could move the bike. Fortunately, I didn't have the new pipes on when she broke it. I would say the only negative thing about the bike, which I kind of like it myself, is the fact that the rear end is a different color than the rest of the bike. But you really can't notice it.